Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the MG Cyberster, a car that has created a huge buzz in the automotive world and is hailed as the electric sports car of the future. But before we get started, I want to express how happy I am to have you here. On this channel, we share content about electric vehicles, innovative technologies, and the latest developments in the automotive industry. Our goal is not just to present the features of these vehicles, but also to explore how these cutting-edge technologies are impacting our lives, their effect on the environment, and the vision of transportation that awaits us in the future. If you're fascinated by the rapidly growing world of electric cars, or curious about what this new era has to offer, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the innovations MG is bringing to the world of electric sports cars, dive into the stunning design of the Cyberster, its technological features, performance details, and much more. So get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the captivating world of the MG Cyberster. If you have any questions while watching, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Not only will you be supporting me, but you'll also stay updated with the latest in the automotive world. Without further ado, let's dive into the MG Cyberster. MG Cyberster, the future of electric sports cars. MG is ushering in a new era in the automotive world, staying true to its storied legacy. The MG Cyberster is a groundbreaking all-electric sports car that combines retro modern design with cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance. In this text, we will dive deep into the Cyberster's exterior design, interior features, technical specifications, marketing strategy, and pricing, covering every detail. Exterior design. The MG Cyberster boasts an aerodynamic and striking design. Its long hood, sharp lines, and low-profile body seamlessly blend the aesthetics of classic British roadsters with a contemporary twist. Active aerodynamics. Active wings and front bumper optimize airflow, ensuring stability at high speeds. Scissor doors. These upward opening doors add drama and practicality. LED lighting. Sleek LED headlights and the illuminated Cyber Shield MG logo create a futuristic impression. Wheel design. 20-inch alloy wheels deliver both style and aerodynamic efficiency. Color options include classic tones like red, black, and white, along with vibrant and modern shades for a bold statement. Interior design. The Cyberster's interior is a perfect balance of driving pleasure and cutting-edge technology. Minimalist and driver-focused cockpit. The steering wheel features a flat design inspired by aircraft controls, providing maximum control. Fully digital dashboard. A 3D holographic display presents essential information such as speed, range, and navigation seamlessly. Seats. Ergonomic, race-inspired leather seats offer both comfort and a sporty feel. Connectivity. MG's latest infotainment system, accessible via 14-inch touchscreen, supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Sound system. A premium Bose sound system ensures an immersive acoustic experience inside the cabin. Material quality. High-end finishes, including aluminum accents, carbon fiber trims, and vegan leather upholstery, enhance the luxurious feel. Technical specifications and performance. The MG Cyberster is built on a fully electric platform, excelling in both performance and range. Electric motors, 2 configurations are available. Single motor rear-wheel drive produces 310 horsepower. Dual motor all-wheel drive generates a staggering 536 horsepower. Acceleration, the most powerful version sprints from 0 to 100 per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Range, up to 500 kilometers WLTP, making it ideal for daily use. Battery and charging. 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack supports fast charging, reaching 80% in 30 minutes. Regenerative braking enhances energy efficiency. Its suspension system and low center of gravity ensure excellent handling and road grip. Marketing strategy. MG aims to target young tech enthusiasts and environmentally conscious users with its Cyberster. Social media campaigns. MG leverages digital platforms to highlight the Cyberster's iconic design and performance, appealing to a wide audience. Virtual reality experiences. Customers can test drive the Cyberster virtually before purchase. Flexible financing options. MG offers competitive payment plans and trade-in benefits to attract buyers. Pricing. The MG Cyberster is priced competitively in the luxury electric sports car segment. Base model. The single-motor version starts at approximately $50,000. Performance model, the dual-motor all-wheel drive version goes up to $70,000. This pricing positions the Cyberster as an accessible alternative to competitors like the Tesla Roadster and Polestar models. Conclusion. The MG Cyberster is not just a revolution in the electric sports car market, but also a milestone in the automotive industry. With its innovative technology, stunning design, and powerful performance, it is the perfect choice for those who want to experience the car of the future today. Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments section.